So we have our magnet in here now. Booyah. So when you're at your vanity or your makeup mirror, you have your makeup kit and your makeup stands right on top of it. So this is more of a skincare routine, I believe. But it could apply to any type of like foundation, something where you have to apply a thick layer on your face. So I even did, let me make sure I put it in the same spot, wax. So I put wax on it, and then I put it on my face. But once you get done putting it on your face, voila. Boom. And it won't be as heavy, still. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the magnet. Ooh, I hate when I do it on this. What's wrong with it? Put our handy dandy glue gun. Oh, that is it in the correct way. I already have my little bitty piece that I'm going to put. So as you see, this is the manufacturing part. Booyah, you have a tip that will screw all the way down. And the third part that I have to make is a cap for it. So we need to have some kind of cap. I still haven't figured out what it would be. But as you see, I do want to put this in here, so that way it has some kind of like, it's something. But like I said, I still have to paint it, but typically when I have different colors on a design, it's so that way I can see the different parts. So far we have 3 parts in here. We have this part, which is our bottle capper, then we have the tip of our bottle, and then we have the bottle case itself, so the base of the bottle. And inside the base is that magnet, so that way that will happen. So let me paint these parts and we'll go from there. I am doing it right now is I'm taking the support material out, and you usually have like this was all in there. It's pretty groovy though. I like this texture. But it's there so that way it can print really well. Well, that way it has some support to print whenever it has some like height to it. So, okay. Now the truth, see what it comes down to, because we know that the cap works for this bottle, and this was a fast print, so you see we've got some stuff left over. It's squishy. This filament is not the right one for squishiness, but as we said, we know that the cap works for this. So that is the first one. It looks good. I'm just going to have to use different filament. Okay, I'm scared. I'm going to work on this one. Oh, yes! It works.